Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but that's just because my tablet has been broken, but now it is fixed, so we can get back to playing. We can get back to playing these games together, or this game, because this is the only game I've posted on so far. But this is not gonna be this channel is not just gonna be a fishing food channel. So, anyways, oh no. You look stressed. Look at you. So observant. What's wrong? I'm just tired of living in this game. It's always the same puns over and over. If someone says, say cheese one more time, I'm gonna lose it. Say cheese. Why are you doing this to me? Please install End My Suffering. Sure thing. Thanks. It was nice knowing you. I'm just kidding. What? Why do I have a knife? Oh my! I can't believe you found my knife! I'm so happy! I thought I would never see it again, but here it is. Ah! But if I pull it out the knife, you might bleed out. I'll let you hold on to it because I like you. Ah! What? Do any of you guys out there know what just happened? Well, of course, he got a knife in his head, but what? Why? No one knows. Thanks for unlocking me. Here's 4 capacity boosters. They will let you catch a lot more food each round. Want to watch Ned to get 4 more? No thanks. Slurpy, 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 beep, 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 beep. That's a lot of food. That's a lot of food. That's a lot of food, and I'll be done. I'm done with my capacity boosters. That is. I'm gonna actually check out my farm. Boop. Right, this happens. Forgot about this. Boop. What? Do I have anything else?
Hey, where's the charger that you used for? Sorry.
Merge Island 2 farm? Isn't. Huh. I remember there being a different island. Confuses me. Passion fruit? Yeah, I can dig. Whoa. I'm so glad that I have a portal and this capacity booster. Holy guacamole. That is a lot of food. Does the burger still eat burgers? I don't see him eat burgers that much. I see him eat like other food because there's the food right behind him. Like the cheese and the burger have almost the same movement. sometimes. Thanks for unlocking me. Here's 4 capacity boosters. They will help you catch a lot more food each round. Want to watch Natty get 4 more? Sure. Thanks. Yes. I mean, thanks. Jeez, that's a lot of... That's a lot of stuff. Bread. Bread. When it gets cold, I turn into bread. Ooh. Ho, ho, ho. Ha, have a good one. Thanks. That joke never gets stale. Oh. Woo, you never get stale. I can make you say whatever you want. Bread. What? Just imagine I tell one of my family members just bread. What? Bread. When it gets cold, I turn into bread. What do you think they'd say? Write down in the comment section below what you think one of my family members would say if I said just that joke that Bread just said to them. And I do read my comments. Don't know if I have many comments right now, but I still read them. Yay. Just letting you know, I read my comments. I don't forget you. I don't forget about you. Beautiful viewers. Okay, what do you not? You discovered enough foods to go to the merge area. That's the best area. What? Is it? It's everything you've ever wanted. As long as all you want is to merge things together. Sounds like fun. I've always wanted to combine different foods. Well, actually, you only combine the same foods. Boo! What's the point of that? What's the point of anything? I ask myself that question every single day. Anyways, tap on my boat to go to the merge area. Have fun! Okay, once I get that chest being super stern. Do you see it? Because I sure do. And I got it. Yes! Check out this merge area. What the? What? I have 0 coins. What? He's Super Saiyan. He's a Super Saiyan cat. Why not? Why not be a Super Saiyan cat? What's wrong with it? Merp. 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 What do you have to say? How did I get here? Where am I? What's going on? Welcome to the merge area. You're about to be merged with other foods. That sounds horrifying. What will happen to me when I get merged? I didn't sign up for this. It's for the greater good. It's for the greater food, not good. No, I have a family. Your family will be merged as well. Oh, yay. Can I ask you a question? Sure, I'm all knowing. How do people even come up with the idea to merge things together? Who knows? The devs probably took it from some other game. Seems like all mobile games are pretty much the same these days. Yeah, you have a point. Jeez. Didn't think a cat that's digital would have a point in digital life. It's kind of weird if you think about it. Comment down below if you think it's weird too. I'm just glad I have the comment section. What are you? Nah. Okay. Just merging these. Got peas? What the crap? Hey there. Do you know you can hold hold down the buy button to quickly buy foods? Yeah. Whoa, what are you doing? What do you mean? I'm teaching the player how to play. You're not supposed to know that you're in a game. What? Of course I know I'm in a game. Well, sure, but the player isn't supposed to know that you know. They should have told you in this orientation. So you are fired. Huh? Okay. That works, I guess. Well, I've hit my 10-minute mark. I think that I'm going to go post another video on a different game for the first time. But make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. And stay tuned for another video. And don't forget that ring that bell icon so you never miss out on any of my videos. See you in the next video. And I still do not have a intro or outro, so hopefully that'll happen soon. Bye!